Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So to change the watch face on our watch, we need to open the watch face menu, and to do that we need to wake up the screen by pressing the crown button, for example. Then you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, some of them have the custom button under them. You can tap on it, and here, for example, you can change the color. Then you can swipe left and change. Or you can change the type of the clock, okay? And then we have, no, this is the color. So the first one was what? Style, oh my bad. So we have style, type of the clock, and then color. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to apply the changes. Okay, if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch faces. So we're gonna bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. More, okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health application. And in the app, you can tap on Devices and select your Huawei Watch GT6. And here you have the watch faces category. At least you should have. It's possible you will miss it because you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. At least that's my theory, that some regions don't support the feature. And when you select the region is when you install the application for the first time. So if you don't see any watch faces category here, I recommend to reinstall the application and select a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine. Okay, you will see the watch faces, and here you can basically download and install additional watch faces. But if you want to change the watch face from the watch faces you already have on your watch, you can tap on My Faces. And here we have the list of watch faces that are already installed on your watch, and you can find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it, and then tap on Apply. And if you want to download the watch face, open the watch faces store, and then tap on one of the categories. For example, I'm gonna use free. Find the watch face I want to use, tap on it, and then tap on install. And it's gonna start downloading, installing, and after it's done, it should be applied on our watch. Like this. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like.